Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to add links to TikTok videos. So, without wasting any time, let's navigate to the TikTok app on your smartphone and tap to open it. Once the app opens up on the mobile screen, to add a link to your TikTok videos, we need to upload a video. From the bottom menu, tap on this plus icon. You can open a media file to select a video or start recording by simply tapping on this icon. Once you are done, tap on the check mark and then tap on the next button to process. And this is the page where the magic will happen. To add a link to your TikTok video, tap on Add Link. Keep in mind that this option will only work on professional accounts that have 1,000 followers. Otherwise, this option will not work. Once you add the link, simply post your video. And that's it. This is how you can easily add a link to your TikTok videos. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.